guys, I am Miss Cavalcante and we are starting one more class. Let's go! How are you today? Are you happy? Sad? Angry? Or sleepy? I am happy today. I hope you are too. And how's the weather today? Is it sunny, rainy, or cloudy today? Okay, guys, is it hot or cold? Great to know. Let's start our class. Guys, do you remember that in your last class with teacher Mrs. Laporte, you talked about some spinning seeds and how they can fly away spinning? Yes or no? Vocês lembram na última aula com a professora Mrs. Laporte que vocês falaram sobre algumas sementes que podem voar girando pelo ar? Yes or no? The dandelion seed is an example. A semente do dente de leão, por exemplo. Do you remember that? I hope so. Today we are going to make our own spinning seed to observe how they can fly away. It's awesome, right? You're going to open your books to page 55, okay? Today you are going to need a strip of paper and a clip, okay? Make a spinning helicopter. It spins like a spinning seed. It's awesome, right? Can you see it here? We are going to make one of our own. Let's go! Hoje nós vamos fazer da nossa própria semente giratória, ok? Nós vamos observar como que a semente de dente de leão consegue voar, ok? Vamos lá? Get your strip of paper, fold in half. Fold it in half, okay? Fold to the left and fold to the right, okay? You're going to attach a paper clip, okay? Like this. And let's see if it flies. Okay guys, this is how the dandelion seed spins and flies away, okay? I hope you've liked the class and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye!